Hey, what's up my fellow YouTubers, PC Gamer Dude here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to create two World War II era banners from, well, yeah, I guess the World War II. So, we got Fascist Italy here, and we got the Spanish Republic. Now, a little history lesson, the Spanish Republic flag here was actually not from World War II, it's actually from 1931 to I think 1939, something like that. Right before World War II began, so either way, I'm going to show you guys how to make these two banners, and I hope it'll be interesting for you guys. Now, these two banners were requested by a YouTube user by the name of Axis Power, so thank you very much for the suggestion, because I made it just for you guys. So, before we actually get started, a couple of disclaimers. First of all, you do not ever use a crafted table to create banners in Minecraft 1.14. Previously you could, but we're going to use a lube. So, make sure that you guys subscribe for more videos every week. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and check out what's down below. And I'll cover the other disclaimers here in just a second. So, let's go ahead and make our banner real quick. To do that, we will make a red banner, or actually a pre-make one. So you will need all these things I'm dropping down right here. Wham, that's all you need. You need red banner, green dye, yellow dye, black dye, white dye, and banner pattern. Now, keep in mind that in 1.13 you could use ink sac, and this one bone meal, but it's 1.14, so you do not use this at all. Another disclaimer. So, anyway, let's create our banner. So first of all, we're going to load our banner in here, put some green dye, and what are we looking for? Green pale Dexter, that's what we're looking for. Let's get that out real quick. Next of all, we will make the little yellow fromage thing in the middle. Or losange, whatever. What was I thinking fromage for? Watching way too much Italian videos recently, so. Anyway, we got that there. Next of all, take our white dye, load it up again, and this time we will create a white pale. So that looks like this. Take that, and we will accept that. Keep in mind, that's a bad Spain banner. It's like my original. So, keep that in mind. Anyway, so we got this now. What do we do next? Ain't that why black dyes exist? So, create ourselves a little black roundel, like this. But first, before we do that, let's create this first. It's a black fess. I mean, it kind of really doesn't matter on how the order is. It just needs to exist someplace or another. I think that's my little rule, so let's go back to the lube. Put these guys in. And now we will create the black roundel. Okay. And I mean, lastly, all you have to do, grab a banner pattern, this weird thing that we created, and some more black dye. I mean, that's why I always forget here, black dye. So, let's put him back in there, with all these other weird things. And then, boom. Once you have the black skull charge, let's get rid of this one for demonstration purposes. Congratulations, you figured out how to make a Fascist Italy banner. Way to go. Now, let's create the Spanish Republic banner. To do that, I mean, that's real easy. You just need to grab yourself a yellow banner, which I will type up right here, because I forgot to get a lot of this stuff in advance. Also, make sure you grab some yellow dye and some, or not yellow dye, red dye, and some purple dye. That's all you need. So, take your yellow banner, put it up here, put red dye here, you're looking for a red pal Dexter, then take your purple die and your banner and make a purple pal Sinister. Get rid of these for demonstration purposes once again. Congratulations! You figured out how to create a Second Spanish Republic flag. I mean, those two tutorials are really easy. This one's way easier than the other, but if you actually take the advice from me, this will actually be very easy. I give out a little bit of tips that makes it also easier. It really does not matter what the... It doesn't really matter how it's organized on this, it just needs to exist somewhere in the design. So, that's my little tip there. And yeah, like I said, it just doesn't really matter what the design is. So, as long as it actually comes out. So, let me explain a little bit about the fascist Italy. For those people that are not in like 7th grade or whatever, here's a little lesson. This little black vest here would be called like a stick or whatever. And then this right here, like the top of the skull charge, would be considered the axe. Basically, that's what it is. However, to make this a little bit more interesting, I could have made a yellow vest here, and I could have created a yellow skull charge, but I did not even think about that in the first place. So, either way, I mean, that's it, guys. And this is very self-explanatory, so. And hopefully, you guys like this little quick tutorial on how to make 2 World War II era banners. So, if you guys like this video, make sure that you guys subscribe for more videos every week. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and check out links down below. Thanks for watching, and see you guys next time. Take care.